The dust clamp hose. The dust clamp hose clamp from Rockler. The Dust Right hose clamp from Rockler. Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. Very quick video about a workshop accessory that I recently purchased that I'm very happy with, and maybe it'll meet some needs for you in your workshop as well. So it's from the Dust Right collection of things from Rockler, and it's a piece of metal. You can move this attachment here to a couple different positions depending on where you'd like it, just with a little Allen wrench. It's got the big handle thumb screw to tighten to something. It can accommodate different size of hoses because it's got some different holes in here, and those go over this little plastic catch. I like to use it in conjunction with a bandy clamp because then that's very quick. I don't have to screw this down and worry about it. So a lot of versatility there. The main thing is to get your Shop Vac hose up where you can reach it conveniently. So if I'm going to do a lot of chiseling and a lot of dust creation, and I'm not hooked up, you know, to a dust collection for that particular operation, I try to be hooked up as often as I can. But there's many times when I just want to be able to clear out debris so I can see what I'm doing. And I like to have the convenience of having this up and not having to constantly bend over on the floor and pick up the hose and then watch it fall down, bend over, pick it up, watch it fall down, bend over, pick it up, and so forth. So I can attach this somewhere in the area where I'm working, and it's right up there where I need it. So I give this a thumbs up. I hope you might find it helpful in your workshop.
Here's a picture on the benchtop mortiser, and then another way it could be attached to a work cabinet. And then here it is over a drill press being held up to get that sawdust out of there, and then finally on a workbench. This is available from either Rockler or from Amazon. It's called the Dust Right Dust Hose Mounting Bracket.
Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, give me some comments, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.